The MIG-500PW is designed for heavy-duty aluminum welding, with a robust 20 kilograms wire feeder for long, uninterrupted work. This MIG welder excels in pulse MIG welding and offers flux cord, MMA, and customizable settings for your specific needs. The 2T and 4T options readily adapt to your operational preference. The MIG-500PW offers a synergy control option. You can effortlessly store and recall up to 9 sets of parameters, streamlining your workflow for similar tasks. Additionally, you have the flexibility to adjust the upslope and downslope times. For added convenience, a remote control option is available. The independent setting of the wire feeder is another remarkable aspect of this machine. Its 20 kilograms wire feeder employs a 4-roll wire feeding structure, ensuring an exceptionally stable wire feed throughout your work, thus contributing to the production of flawless welds. The design of the MIG-500PW incorporates a practical rack system, allowing you to effortlessly transport the gas cylinder along with the unit. Moreover, this welding powerhouse features a water-cooled design, assuring that your work remains in perfect condition even during demanding tasks. But let's not just talk about it. Let's witness its welding prowess. We put the MIG-500PW to the test with double pulse MIG welding on various thicknesses of aluminum materials. And it consistently delivered exceptional results, even on 10mm aluminum sheets. The MIG-500PW is a versatile welding machine that can seamlessly adapt to your diverse welding projects. It's your ideal partner for both indoor and outdoor tasks, catering to a range of scenarios and promising top-notch performance every time you put it to use. Invest in the MIG-500PW and experience welding excellence like never before.